Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today pala ay magbaba naman na tayo sa rank. Normal lang. Talaga. Start na ba?
A sandstorm maze.
Yeah guys, for today gagamitin natin si Balon at pag nanalo at guys pag huwag na pala basta gagamitin ko lang sa Balmon, pero pag wala si Balmon, pag laban o kaya pag may naggamit wala na, sana jungle ako, jungle XP ako pag jungle pwede na
Your team is banning. Your team is banning.
Yan. Ban si Pani kasi. Hindi kayo marunong.
The enemy
Yan, si
is
Pani.
picking.
Pani.
You should be ashamed for not trusting yourself. Please pick a hero.
Test. Alpha is online.
My blood boils until the
enemy
day
is
I
dead.
die.
Sanjo.
Balloon style. Si Balloon style.
Let's fight to our
Kaya
hearts.
palang picturean kasi may gagawin na ako doon guys.
Your team is picking.
Ako din guys.
I am the sovereign of the abyss, the slayer of gods.
Hope are the two
enemy
greatest inventions.
Toto.
Let's make the whole world green and lively.
Makipag-shoot kayo sa XP. Makipag-shoot na tayo. Huwag na lang, no? Okay? Huwag na lang, guys. Tagal na naman.
am a daughter of
Look, Freya!
I swear to protect it till
Wala ka ba na turn? Pero Freya,
Bleeding as a
that's my biggest enemy, man.
as timeless as a glacier's heart.
Oh my God. Freya? Buko matalo to, ah. Oh my God. Tignan natin kung ano. Wait lang guys, ang pagmino ngayon.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed! Attack! Okay!
May inatas lang sa akin.
Okay!
May inatas lang sa akin si Momo.
Resolution brings victory.
Pag ito, manalo, babalikan ko yung channel ko. Pero, ewan ko kung ano yung papangalan ko. Basta, ang tagal ko lang kasi pinapractice ko si Balmond. Kaya nakikita ko yung channel ko.
Watch their homes burning to the ground.
Yung Balmond ba talaga yung main ko guys? Iba na yung main. Yung dati, sa...
Harder!
Yung mga account ko, ginagamit ko yung gusto natin limit. Ayun ang main ko.
Stormeye Wasteland is now a prison for souls in pain.
Kaya ano nun, kahit lagi limit yun. Iba na tong account na to guys.
I am
Ito yung main channel ko. Nagawa ko ito kasi hindi ako naka-video. Ulit ko talaga. Si Balmond. Siya naging favorite ko. Ewan ko kung bakit siya naging favorite.
taste my ass.
Yung details niya. Siguro, binayon. Skin na to is na 3.9 ba? 9. Basta. Is 3.9. Ewan ko kung ano yung tawag skin na to. Basta.
In every corner.
Basta, tignan natin kung wala.
I will free all the orcs from the shackles.
Enemy reached level 4.
Yung sila guys, hindi ko sasagot na.
Reached level 4.
Ano na siya isorbe.
Enemy reached level 4.
Huwag lang sila istorbo rin. Kaya ano natin sila maglaban. Parang habang sila nagalaban.
Slay the turtle.
Tuwan ng turtle o yeah.
Ally has been slain.
We have
Our
to
turret has been
so
destroyed.
they must die.
Mga patay ito.
Our turret is under attack.
Ally has been slain.
Ba't ako nakalapit kayo pero yan? Ano ba malaki ko yun? May lumalapit.
I present to you the rage of the orcs.
Biggest enemy ko si Freya. Siya pa yung nakatapat ko. Malakas yun kasi diamonds yung cast ko eh. Wala kang diamonds.
10 times.
Mga free lang ko nakuha ko. Binibili ko lang ng coins. Ayan, diamond din siya.
Death all weaklings.
An enemy has been slain.
Enemy battle spell on CD.
I die with honor.
Yung bell na lang yung fan. Gilda. Gilda.
Prepare to be crushed.
Silent mode ako guys. Silent mode.
An enemy has been slain.
Great initiation. Great play.
You have slain an enemy.
Enemy invading jungle. Invading jungle.
Under attack. An enemy has been slain.
Gather up the turtle. Understood.
Request backup. Okay. Our turret has been destroyed.
We must reclaim our honor.
Enemy rampage.
jungle.
Request
Enemy in
missing.
jungle.
My
Our
heart
turret has been
sings
destroyed.
to the battle cries of my clan.
Enemy missing.
Ignorant humans. For honor, we strike twice as hard.
An ally has been slain. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Slain an enemy. Launch attack.
Understood.
We will pay them back 10 times! The northern foothills of the Lantis Mountains is our true homeland. Die, die!
Push mo ako, no?
An enemy has been slain.
Superb tanking. That was amazing.
Our turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. The enemy has slain the turtle.
They had no choice but to watch their homes burning to the ground.
Enemy legendary. Our turret is under attack. Turret has been
We'll
destroyed.
ride in every corner. We have to live, so they must die. Resolution brings victory.
Ally has been slain. Killing spree! Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Our base is under attack.
Launch control. That was amazing.
Destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Ignorant humans.
Ally has been slain. Enemy double kill. An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill. The enemy has inhibitor turret is under attack. attack. Down. Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack.
Okay guys, defeat tayo. Pero okay na guys. Good pa rin. At hindi ko papalitan yung channel ko kasi defeat. Buti lang ayoko palitan channel ko. Pero yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bago lang yung video, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like, comment, and subscribe. See you tomorrow! Bye!